Is there something that scares you before going on Saturday night or on theater? Like, you've done a lot of theater.
Yeah, there's one thing that I've always had in my head that I think is going to happen on live television, which probably will end up happening now because I'm speaking about it, but I always am afraid I'm going to get the hiccups. But, like, especially if it's something really serious or intense or dramatic where you can't have the hiccups and can't laugh it off, I'm always afraid I'm about to get the hiccups. Because once I get the hiccups, it goes on for hours.
Oh, really?
Oh, it's a horrible, horrible... The hiccups are my least favorite thing.